Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will share some interesting and awesome resources where you can learn Java programming language absolutely for free. I will share some awesome books, YouTube channels and interesting websites where you can learn Java. If you are a beginner in coding, just started or anyone who wants to do code, then this video is gonna very helpful for you. The purpose of this video is to make you aware of all the resources available there online for free. We respect and honor all the authors and their content. If you want to support them, you can purchase the books as well. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Firstly, I want to take you to the official documentation of Java. You should follow this official documentation if you are new in coding or a beginner. These official documentation are very helpful. You can simply search Java official documentation. You will get this web page. The topics are provided here from beginner to advanced level, and you can choose this and learn from this for in-depth learning. Now let's talk about some of the important books for Java. The first is Java the Complete Reference. The PDF of this book is available online. There are around 1000 pages and the name of the book is Java the Complete Reference. The topics are divided into subtopics so that you can learn at your own pace. You can follow this and you can learn from this book. Then the next book is Java a Beginner Guide. PDF of this book is also available, and the preview and the cover page looks like this. It's provided by Oracle and it's a beginner friendly guide which can help you to make an in-depth knowledge of every concept in a Java. And the next book is the Effective Java. The PDF is also available and the preview looks like this. The topics are divided into like chapters like creating and destroying objects, class interfaces, generics, lambda function. Many things are provided here. Total of 413 pages. You can check this book also. Next book is Head First Java. It's also a beginner friendly and provided by Bain friendly guide. Total are chapters from 1 to 18 chapters and around 722 pages. The graphics and the examples are provided in this video in this book is very helpful and very useful for beginners too. It's time to talk about some video content available on YouTube. First, I want to take you to the Edureka channel. There is playlist available and around 114 videos for Java tutorial for beginners. You can follow this topic by topic and choose and learn accordingly. It's by Edureka, and then the content is super awesome. Next YouTube channel is by Apni Kaksha and it's leading by Aman Dhatrawal, and total around 61 videos playlist is available here, and Java plus data structures algorithms videos are available here. The content is in Hindi, so if you want to learn in Hindi, you can choose this channel and follow accordingly. Let's move on to the next YouTube channel, which is by Telescu. He is famous for his content and in YouTube on Java and other awesome content, and 186 videos are also available in this playlist. It's for Java tutorial for beginners. The content is in English, so you can choose and learn accordingly. Now let's move on to the next channel, which is by Code with Harry, and the Java tutorial for beginners in Hindi. The content is in Hindi and around 103 videos in the total playlist, and you can choose and learn topic by topic wise from installation to basics, and advanced topics are also provided on this channel. You can choose and enhance your Java journey by choosing these all the resources I have shared here. There are also some other YouTube channels like by Durga sir and like Free Code Camp. Full tutorial for Java is also available. You can check that these two as well, and you can I will drop all these links of these PDFs in my Telegram channel so that you can download. You can join our channel to grab these tutorials. Also, there are a number of websites where you can learn Java absolutely free, like Geeks for Geeks, W3 Schools, Java T Point. I have already made a video on this, but I will drop the link on the I button so that you can check that out too. It will be a very useful video for you. So friends, this is all about the Java resources which I have talked about. If this video is helpful and informative to you, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any question, doubt, suggestions, feedback, please drop it in the comment section. We will get back to you at the earliest. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and hit a bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. Meanwhile, watch our other videos too. Thanks a lot.